In this video, I will show you how to copy and paste formatting in Google Sheets. First, open your spreadsheet in Google Sheets and select the cell that already has the formatting you want to copy. This could include font style, text size, colors, borders, or background fill. Once the cell is selected, look at the toolbar at the top and find the Paint Format icon. It looks like a small paint roller. Click the paint roller once, then click on the cell or drag across multiple cells where you want to apply the same formatting. Instantly, the selected cells will match the original formatting. Another way to copy formatting is by using Copy and Paste Special. First, select the formatted cell and press Ctrl+C to copy. Then select the target cells, right-click, choose Paste Special, and then click Format Only. This method is useful if you prefer keyboard shortcuts or want more control over what gets pasted. Copying and pasting formatting is a great way to keep your spreadsheet clean and consistent without manually adjusting each cell. So that's how to copy and paste formatting in Google Sheets. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.